Hello friends, welcome to Tips for Life YouTube channel. Do you know what happens if you drink beer daily? Okay, let's go to the video. Drinking beer on a daily basis can have a wide range of effects on your health and well-being. While moderate beer consumption may have some benefits, excessive drinking can lead to serious health problems. In this video, we will explore the potential effects of drinking beer on a daily basis, including both the short-term and long-term consequences. First, it is important to understand what constitutes moderate drinking. According to the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, moderate drinking is defined as up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. A standard drink is defined as 12 ounces of beer, 5 ounces of wine, or 1.5 ounces of distilled spirits. One of the immediate effects of drinking beer on a daily basis is the risk of developing a drinking problem. Excessive drinking can lead to alcohol dependency, which is characterized by the inability to control how much or how often you drink. Additionally, daily drinking can lead to a decreased ability to control impulsivity, which can lead to risky behaviors, such as driving under the influence or unprotected sex. Drinking beer on a daily basis can also have negative effects on your physical health. Chronic heavy drinking can lead to liver damage, including cirrhosis, which is a serious condition that can ultimately lead to liver failure. Excessive drinking can also lead to an increased risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast, colon, and liver cancer. Additionally, daily drinking can increase your risk of developing high blood pressure, which can lead to heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Drinking beer on a daily basis can also have negative effects on your mental health. Chronic heavy drinking can lead to depression, anxiety, and other mental health problems. Additionally, daily drinking can lead to a decreased ability to concentrate, which can affect your work and relationships. Drinking beer on a daily basis can also have negative effects on your social life. Excessive drinking can lead to conflicts with friends and family members, and can also lead to job loss or other financial problems. Additionally, daily drinking can lead to a decreased ability to form and maintain healthy relationships. It's important to note that drinking beer on a daily basis can also have positive effects on your health and well-being, if consumed in moderate amount. Moderate beer consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, and may also have anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, beer contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, silicon, and potassium, which can be beneficial for your health. In conclusion, drinking beer on a daily basis can have a wide range of effects on your health and well-being. While moderate drinking may have some benefits, excessive drinking can lead to serious health problems. Excessive drinking can lead to alcohol dependency, liver damage, cancer, high blood pressure, mental health problems, and social problems. If you're concerned about your drinking habits, it's important to talk to your doctor or a health professional for advice. Remember, moderation is key, and excessive drinking can lead to serious health problems. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for next videos. Goodbye.